guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sienna. Today's video is a Sunday reset vlog. I love these. And I asked you guys on Instagram, what do you want to see more of and less of on my channel, my Instagram, all that. And an abundance of you really love getting your shit together videos. And I'm like, hey, I'm here for it. I just thought it would get boring if I do them continually, but if we spice it up every time, it could be fun. So I'm here with another Sunday reset vlog. So let's first do a little grocery haul. What was that? I don't know. Okay, let's start with Trader Joe's. First up, asparagus. I'm gonna meal prep asparagus and chicken. Then I got rosemary because I use rosemary in my chicken. Couldn't resist buying these baddies. These are the sweet potato fries from Sweet Potato Frites. Okay, French. There is no gluten in it, so I'm okay. There is gluten in this. Oh my God. See, that's why you really gotta pay attention to ingredients, because things that you don't think are gonna have ingredients that are not your vibe, they're gonna be in there somehow. Why is there unbleached wheat flour in here? I'm gonna make my own sweet potato fries one day. Okay, so for my vlogs in October, I have a plan to show you all of the fall stuff that I'm buying from Trader Joe's. I kind of bought a few things now. I'm gonna wait until I do like the full Trader Joe's haul in my vlog for the October month. But I will show you one thing that I got that I'm stocking up on this season, and that's maple butter. Oh girl, I will buy 6 of these because as soon as they stop selling these, I start crying. It's so good on banana bread, on pancakes, on any baked good. I got these butternut squash zigzags. So these are just crinkle cut butternut squash. Then I got some chicken. Oh, the hot cashier wrapped it for me. He was so cute. Just organic chicken because I'm gonna meal prep that later today. I also got more garlic, love her. Some bananas as well. I cannot go a day without eating a banana. And then I got this baddie, which is one fall item that I bought now, which I don't care. I'm gonna be doing the fall items all season. You guys are gonna love the vibes in my fall vlogs and my fall videos all through October, all through the season. It's gonna be so good. But this is the first like fall item that I got that's refrigerated, and it's the pumpkin butternut squash bisque, a delicate puree finished with brown butter and sage. I was over buying the huge bag of kale from Trader Joe's because I only use it for my pesto pasta and I really don't use that much of it and it was going to waste. So I just bought enough for a serving for that pesto to make for the week. We got organic kale. I feel so European buying vegetables like this. I don't know. Then I got oat milk. Where would I be without my oat milk? And this one is the full fat, so it has DHA omega-3 in it. This is my favorite of their oat milks. I prefer it when I can find it. I'm there for it. Got some basil for the week because my basil plant is still trying to rebirth herself after I cut so much off of her. I got my favorite cookies. This was the last one that they had. These are the immaculate, honestly delicious, gluten-free, dairy-free chocolate chunk cookies. These are so good. Oh my God, they're best cookies ever. I'm on such a chickpea pasta wave. I got more of the linguine and then I got some of the elbows. This is the Bonza chickpea pasta. It has a lot of protein in it. And we got some organic strawberries. Then I got more avocados. Gonna put these baddies in the fridge. I got some spicy shrimp avocado rolls. These are my pride and joy. And then the last thing that I got was the barista blend of the oat milk. And this is what I use in like my lattes. This is the good stuff. That is my grocery haul. I'm gonna put these groceries away and then we're gonna get started cleaning. I did get these pumpkin overnight oats from Trader Joe's as well, so that's fun. That's fun. I'm gonna put on sweatpants because only a psychopath would clean in jeans, and I'm gonna pop my AirPods in and listen to an audiobook. I just finished Malibu Rising, which I will give like my little review in my next vlog, since this vlog is really pertaining to like the weekly reset. So I will like gather my thoughts in another vlog, but I just finished that book. I rated it 4 out of 5 stars. Realistically, like 4.5 out of 5 stars. It was a really good book and I listened to it as an audiobook. So look at me. I'm so cozy now. I know cleaning it all white is very risky, but I'm a risky girl. Let's pop my AirPods in. So as I've just finished Malibu Rising, I am now going to either read, I have 2 options, and I know you guys can't help me decide, but I have The Woman in Cabin 10 or Where the Crawdads Sing. I read 38% of Where the Crawdads Sing. I liked it, but clearly I kept returning it and I didn't finish it, so I really want to finish it. Everyone loves the book. And comment below more thrillers, because I like to listen to thrillers on audiobook, and then romance I like to read on my Kindle, and then regular books I like to read paperback. So that's like the shtick. So if you have any thriller recommendations, hit my line. Let's do it. Seconds ago when my vacuum didn't work. It keeps turning off. It's been doing this a month and I just don't want to deal with it, but I looked it up and it means that it's overheating, which means I need to clean it or go in there and find clogs. I'm gonna sit here, watch YouTube videos, and clean my vacuum. As if you care, but I wanted to share this journey with you.
Welcome back to another Sims 12 video. Today is pretty exciting. I mean, at least I'm excited.
I took that entire girly apart. I cleaned it. I wanted to throw up. If it doesn't work now, I'm considering murdering myself. But I think it should work. I just have to wait for the battery to charge. No, it's funny because now the charger's defective. I really just spent my time cleaning that for this to be defective. Why are you scratching my couch? That's not even an answer. Okay. Planning my get clear and get current. I'm changing the scenery. I'm doing it in my living room or my coffee table because it's more comfortable and I want to do it that way. So I have my nice little autumn jazz going on in the background with the rain noises and my candle lit. I'm going to respond to emails, plan my to-do list for the week, what I have to get done, my priorities, and do a little bit of journaling. That's going to be like my little planning moment today. So I did my planning. I'm gonna put my sheets back on the bed. I hate that I get so tired throughout the day, and I know I have to finish my Parsley Health doctor stuff, so I need to get my blood lab work done. I'm just terrified. I mean, I'm not terrified, I just faint when I get my blood drawn, so I'm like, I don't wanna do that. But I have to get like a full panel and go over it with my Parsley Health doctor because I really need to find out what like chronic disease or autoimmune thing I have. I'm just fatigued every day, and I really wish I could be one of those people that's like go, 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 and they're doing something every 5 seconds, but I feel like I have to take a break every 2 hours because like my back hurts or like I'm just so like slow and lethargic. What happened to the girl that could go to Coachella for 72 hours and not sleep? I'm like, so my energy levels changed. Maybe when I was like 20, that my health problems started happening. I need to get my Parsley Health thing figured out. The reason I put it off for so long is because like I want to eat the way I want to eat for the rest of the year. Like, but it's just, girly, you can't get stuff done when you're tired all the time. So I'm gonna go back to my Parsley Health doctor. I have an appointment in the beginning of October, I think. Yeah, so I have to go get my blood work done and I want to cry thinking about it. When I had my spine surgery, they took my blood like every 5 minutes. And when I went to the hospital for my kidney infection, they took my blood like every day, like 3 times a day. So it's all in my head. Anyway, I'm going to put my bed sheets on my bed now because they are dry. And see, I'm already tired thinking about doing that. This is not normal. I'm 23. Why does the lighting look like this? Brighten up. Get bright. Get bright. I think I'm gonna listen to Taylor Swift because I am tired of listening to my audiobook and I want to listen to Taylor Swift. So. Outfit because do I need a reason? I'm gonna meal prep now. So I have my lemon, olive oil, rosemary chicken with sweet potato and asparagus, and I'm gonna put this in the oven for like 20-25 minutes on 400 if you care. There they are in all their glory. You can see me more than you can see them, but you know. Main reason I did my meal prep was so that I could have these bad boys for dessert tonight as a reward for myself. Like, I just want them so bad. So I didn't have enough asparagus to actually have it tonight, so I'm just gonna probably make some broccoli with this, and then I just have 2 meal preps, so 2 chickens in each, because I really am realistically only gonna probably have this twice in the week, so it's okay. At least it's 2 meals that were meal prep for me. So I'm gonna eat this and then reward myself with cookies. Look at these baddies. They're so good, and they're gluten-free, dairy-free. You better run to Whole Foods, bitch. Post cookies, and I'm gonna do my skincare routine for the night. I don't know if I'm gonna do a face mask though, because I am so exhausted. I don't know why I'm so tired so early, but I am. We got Sibby over there just chilling. She's just ready for the skincare routine, and she does not look happy about it. Earrings have to come out. Same with necklaces. That's just hazard. What are you doing? I'm gonna take off my makeup, do my skincare routine, which I did show you in my last vlog, which was a night in my life. That wasn't my last video, but I will link that video down below where I went in depth on my skincare routine. I don't hate how I look in person without makeup that much, but on camera it's just like, you gremlin. Like, ew. I didn't do my face mask, but I am gonna read. So tit for tat, I don't know. This book, if you guys have been watching my videos, you know it's on my TBR list. So this is what I'm gonna start. I really wanna wake up earlier. I wake up at, well, I was waking up at 6 a.m. and then I've been having trouble and I've been waking up at 7 and I'm like, no, girl, no. So we're going back and we're reworking the morning routine. I'm hoping this book will help me. If I can eventually get to 5 a.m., I will love my life. We'll start with 6 a.m. again. I'm gonna read this book and then I'm gonna go to bed. That is my Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I will see you in my next one. Bye.